Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to explain how to buy a car in the United Kingdom. Yes, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right now. And without any delay, let's get into the video. Well, I think you have seen most of the international students who usually come to the UK buy cars like immediately or after a few days, and you must be wondering how they do it because they usually buy second-hand cars, guys. Yes, it's very popular here in the UK buying second-hand cars instead, but in India it's not that famous, but here it's quite popular and most of the people do that. So that's why in today's video I'm gonna explain you guys how to buy a second-hand car in the UK. Well, first things first, guys, like before searching for a car, I think you need to decide on a budget, and this is very important because usually, students here buy cars for really cheap price just because it is coming for lesser price, but then the car is not in good condition and you need to keep extra money for the repairs, insurance, and etc. So it's going to cost you a lot at the end anyways, so there's no point in buying normal condition car for a less price for like 500 pounds or 600 pounds. And I think that's like a really waste of money and time as well. So I suggest you guys to keep at least like 2,500 to 3,500 pounds budget. It depends on cars, so don't go like overboard or don't go below that. It's my suggestion completely because I've seen a lot of people who bought car for like 900 and 800 pounds and they kept lot of money for the servicing, maintenance, repairs. They gave the car to scrap because it's not working, and those 900 pounds are just waste of money. So instead of that, if you keep like 2,500 and 2,500 and buy like nice conditioned car with less kilometers, then you can also have a chance for resale. You can even get more money when you're reselling it if you're lucky, if the car is in good condition. So I suggest you guys to keep that budget. And after deciding the budget, you can also think about like brand if you're really interested about particular brand. Otherwise, then that's fine. Well, after deciding on budget, now how to search for second-hand cars? Well, there are three ways, guys. Number one, there are a lot of second-hand car dealers here in the UK, like in whichever city you're in. I'm sure there are a lot of second-hand car dealers. Just Google it and go there and search for your car. And the second way is Facebook Marketplace. Most of the people here buy cars in Facebook Marketplace because it's kind of popular. So you can search through Facebook Marketplace and buy it. And the final method is Gumtree. Like usually people advertise their cars in Gumtree, so you can even check that out. So yeah, these are the three ways how you can search for your car. Well, after going through the websites and a lot of cars, you must be wondering how to finalize one car. Well, there are a few things to consider before finalizing, guys, which I'm going to explain right now. Well, the first thing is you need to check how many kilometers or miles the car drove until today. That's very important, guys, because those kilometers will let you know the car condition. I mean, it's one of the factor to check the car condition. And also, if that is not available by the advertiser, you can ask them and check for it. And if it is around 20,000 to 40,000, then it is in amazing condition. You can actually go for it. It also have like very great resale value. So if it is around 60,000 to 1 lakh, then the car condition is okay. You can still buy it, but you have to think about the resale. Because if you buy at 60,000 kilometers, if you use it for like 2 years, you might use it until 80,000. Usually the car has around 1 lakh kilometers life cycle approximately. So people usually don't like to buy cars which have like 1 lakh kilometers or 80,000 kilometers. So just make sure that it's around 20,000 to 60,000 if possible. If not, you can also buy 60,000 to 1 lakh if you're sure you're going to resell it. But you can also resell it. There's a chance, but I'm not sure about it. So you have to check the kilometers as well. If it is about 1 lakh, I suggest you not to buy it. It's just my suggestion, guys. It completely depends upon you. Well, the second thing is check the mod history. Well, what is mod history? So after using the car for few years, every car here in the United Kingdom has to pass mod test, which is like a safety test. It actually approves the car is in good condition to drive on road. So when you usually type the car number in a mod website, then you should be able to get the entire car history, like whatever problems it had, major defects, minor defects, everything. So you can actually view them and analyze it and evaluate based on that. So I'm gonna leave a link of the mod website below. Please go and check that out. And the third thing is check the engine size, like whether it's 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, because the one of the important factor of the insurance is the engine size, guys. Like the more the engine size, the expensive the insurance will be. So just keep that in mind. Here insurance for international students are pretty high. So if you buy like high-end cars like BMW, Audi, or cars with huge engine like 2.6 or something like that, your insurance will be damn expensive, so you can't maintain it in a long term. So just think of it. So yeah, these are the three things which you can check like before finalizing few cars. So after finalizing few cars, go for viewing, guys. Viewing is mandatory. You have to go and view the car, check for any dents, scratches, or anything like that, and test drive it. Test driving is also mandatory, and see if you can find any faults while driving. If you know driving well, I think, and if you know more about cars, I think you'll find out if the engine has any defects while driving. If you don't know, take someone who knows well about cars so that they can find out. So if you think everything is well and good, you can buy the car. If not, if you think the price is too much, you can also negotiate. We never know what happens. So yeah, if you like it, you can buy it. So after buying the car, they will give you like a green slip. So basically every car has like V5C book, which is like vehicle logbook. Every owner must have it. So there's like a green slip on V5C book which they need to fill in and give it to you, which means that they are transferring the ownership to you. So they're going to discard their V5C book, and it is automatically notified to DVLA that he transferred the ownership, so that they'll send you a new V5C for the car. So you need to make sure that you get the green slip, because otherwise you should not buy it, because there might be some problem with the car, or it's not with the original owner, or he might have stolen the car from somebody else. So we never know. It is illegal to buy a car without a green slip. So after you get the green slip, you need to pay for road tax. It is very essential, because it is illegal to drive on road without paying road tax. So you have to pay the road tax, and then you have to take the insurance. It is illegal to drive on road without insurance as well. So you can actually, there are a lot of websites which are offering insurance, so you can actually compare all the websites and select best rates for you. And yeah, that's about it. So after buying a car, you need to do these things and you're good to drive on road. So yeah, I think these are very important things that you need to consider before buying a car and after buying a car, guys. I hope this is useful for you guys. And I've seen a lot of people who drive without road tax, insurance. It is illegal to do that, guys. Please don't do that. They'll fine you a huge amount. I've seen a lot of people who paid the fine as well. So don't do that, and pay all the taxes and insurance on time. And also I've seen a lot of people like who buy cars for cheap and give it to scrap. So don't do that, and choose wisely and buy wisely. And also I suggest you not to buy like high-end cars like Audi or BMW. If you can afford it, you can go ahead, but then I suggest you not to, because it's a lot of maintenance, and also you have to pay a huge amount of insurance if the car is high-end. So don't do that. And yeah, I hope this video is useful for you guys. If yes, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also if you want to know more about like how to compare insurances and all, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do a video on that. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, do that as well, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye guys.